This time we stayed at 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗚𝗏s Orlando, and it really is actually in Clermont, Florida, but it's only about 30 minutes from Disney World if that's where you want to go. This campground is huge, and we had a good time. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Highway 27 is very busy, so expect delays traveling down that highway. We actually stopped at Lowe's, which was just down the street before we got there, and dropped our smart car Zippy at Lowe's, so we wouldn't have to worry about it once we got to 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗚𝗏s, because we know the lineup could be pretty long. As you're coming into the turn lane to get into 𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗚𝗏s, do not line up there and wait for 12 o'clock to hit. You cannot get into this park until 12 o'clock, and you can get ticketed if you line up out in the street. And every day at noon, once they give the go, the people just pile in. This campsite is really big. It has over 1,000 campsites, so you're going to find some place to park there. We had a flat tire on the way there, so we didn't get there until 1:30, and we still had just a couple of people in front of us, and we had no issues getting into the park. If you do drop your car before you get to the campground, they will want the car to follow the RV once it goes in to find out where your campsite will be. Orlando really has this together. They've got a good system, and it's been working for years. When you come in, you'll go around towards the pool rec area, and then they will let you know what's available, and you can try to decide which sites you might like. I recommend you look at Google Earth before you go there to see what section you might like. There's 2 new sections, plus of course all the old sections. When we got there, I had already listed a number of sites that I was interested in staying in, or I thought we would fit in, but they didn't give us an opportunity to choose one. But it worked out just fine.
How you doing, Mr. Watts?
Good. How are you?
Good. I got a site for you on the outer band on jewelfish. Big enough for all your toys.
All right, cool.
Follow me, sir.
Will do. I'm already lost.
Yeah, no shit.
All right, now, how the hell am I going to back in there?
Going the wrong way.
Yeah. Yeah, you figured we said, okay, we got to go around.
Yeah. Does it look like a good spot?
It's right here on the left.
I can't see it from here.
With that picnic table.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we got a good one.
Yeah, crank this baby out.
Oh, yeah. I'm coming around the mountain right now.
Okay. I think we're going to need to turn it with your ass towards the passenger. Keep going. Good. And then, go back as far as you want. We got bikes, we got Zippy.
Yeah, but I got a sewer line there I got to stretch out.
Oh, that's true. Well, you're good right there?
I guess.
Okay. We really liked our campsite because it was very long and we had plenty of room for all our toys. We were in the shade and we had some privacy too. Once in a while you'll get some visitors near your campsite. I'm sure many of you have seen lots of videos on Thousand Trails Orlando Campground. So I'm going to just kind of give you a briefing with the drone flyover and just some of the key areas and also the news section. Plus I'm going to add in some of the places we went to. We have a couple of other videos on Orlando and I will link them in the description below. There you got the kiddie pool. The first pool over here by these showers behind the rec hall is heated. It was pretty good. They used to have bushes in between these two pools, but now there's just a big, like, little pavilion thing. That's the second pool. That one I don't think is heated. That was quite a bit cooler.
A lot cooler.
And the hot tub. And here's the kids' park. I think it's been redone since we were here a few years ago. Kids love it. This is one of the older bathrooms. Dave's been using it because it's close by the RV, and he said that the new ones were not any better. Very clean. Got 2 showers in here. Double curtain. Nice. They got lots of pickleball courts. I've seen tournaments going on. This one usually seems to be open just for those who are not doing tournaments. It's just available most of the time. They got a little amphitheater back in here. And there's also basketball. And they have putt-putt. I'll do a quick little drive through the news section here. Get a feel for the size of it. There's 2 news sections actually. And these are huge areas. Everything is a one-way. Roads are nice and wide here so that you can back in easily. No trees at all. But you do have all concrete pads, patio. Of course it's full hookup. And that's just to the right as you come through the gate. Thousand Trails Orlando is open year-round and has 1,017 campsites and many cottages. You do not need to be a member of Thousand Trails to stay here. Of course, if you're a member of Thousand Trails, there is no cost up to 21 days. If you aren't a member, the cost is $71 a night. Cottages are $155 to $200 per night. We stayed there for 2 weeks. I have already shown you many of the amenities they have, but here is a rundown. They have a clubhouse, swimming pools, fishing, fitness center, store, restroom with shower facilities, boat rental, horseshoes, a library, pickleball, shuffleboard, hot tub. They have the lake. Pets are welcome. They have a dog park, mini golf, laundry facilities, playground, billiards and game room, and a business center. You also can have packages sent there, but there is a $5 charge for each one. This campground is a perfect combination of fun in the sun and rest and relaxation. Separate from the Florida tourist attractions, this campground offers a tranquil setting along the shores of a spring-fed lake with sandy beaches. They are also very close to shopping and restaurants. Publix is right next door, and there are tons of restaurants all around. They also offer lots of activities, and their staff personnel are very friendly and helpful. Some additional activities include co-ed water aerobics, creative arts and craft classes and projects, jam sessions, line dancing, men and women exercise classes, tournaments, weekly dances, wood carving, ceramics, church service, computer club, kids activities, live entertainment, potlucks, square, line, round, and ballroom dancing, volleyball court, and sand badminton. As you probably have seen in pictures, they have a huge checkerboard and chessboard out on the lawn in front of the rec center. They also have a fresh produce market that'll show up now and then, and also some food trucks. If you get bored, it's your own fault. We got an invitation to meet up with YouTubers and other YouTube followers at one of the community fire pits there. It was a very nice time.
Other YouTube channel people. Having fun.
There are a lot of restaurants near this campground. Here's some of them that you may enjoy going to. We also went all the way north up to Lake Harris and Lake Eustis area because we had our spiders with us. But take a look. We met up with some friends of ours we hadn't seen in several years, Chuck and Kathy, and we had dinner at Ford's Garage in Kissimmee. It was so great to see those guys.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.